Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Madhya Pradesh Global Investors Summit in Indore today through video conferencing. The Ministry of Defence said that Defence Research and Development Organisation, or the DRDO, successfully carried out a training launch of a short-range ballistic missile Prithvi-2 from the Integrated Test Range in Chandipur off the Odisha coast. Vice President and Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar has inaugurated the two-day-long 83rd All India Presiding Officers in Jaipur. Indian film RRR's super hit song Nattu Nattu has won the prestigious Global Globe Award for Best Original Song. In cricket, India defeated Sri Lanka by 67 runs in the first one-day international of the three-match series at Barsapara Cricket Stadium in Guwahati last evening.